Hi everyone, this is Two Utes Transplanted. Welcome to our channel and welcome to Pumpkin Palooza, hosted by Auntie Coo Coo.
This collaboration is a home decor fall themed DIY that costs $5 or less to put together.
Today we will be showing you one idea with two different styles, and it only costs $5 to make either one. This cost is from start to finish if you have no supplies on hand at all.
Whether you prefer a more traditional look or are on trend with the farmhouse look, we've got you covered. Pick a favorite or make them both.
Let's take a look at what you will need to make the traditional door first. You will need a foam board from the Dollar Tree, an X-Acto knife or cutting tool, a pen or a pencil, a ruler, an 8-inch embroidery hoop or 8-inch plate or bowl, either one, Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree, and some sort of knob for your front door. This can be found in any craft supply or hardware store for about 50 cents.
We used a gold Sharpie to color our knob, but paint would also do nicely if that's what you prefer. You'll need a picture frame from the Dollar Tree. You will be using the glass part as well as the easel back. You will also need your choice of paints. For the overall door and trim, we used Tuscan Teal by Apple Barrel and Tuscan Apple Barrel Chocolate Bar Brown. We also used a few leaves and berries and a few bare stems from a Dollar Tree pick we had on hand left over from another project. We just cut off 3 pieces from the pick and twisted them into a wreath shape.
You will also need a package of the mini glitter pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. We just removed them from the sticks. Now that you know everything that you need, let's get started on this project and have some fun.
Begin by cutting 2 10 by 18-inch pieces from your foam board. If you purchased your foam board from the Dollar Tree, as we did, keep in mind that the ones that we purchased were not identical in size, so ours measured about 18, I believe it was 18 by 29, I believe it was, something like that. It was an odd number. But anyway, just make sure that you cut out 2 10 by 18-inch pieces from your foam board. That's one for the front and one for the back.
This will make your door sturdy and it also provides a nice look. Center your 8-inch hoop plate or bowl in the upper portion of one of the 10 by 18 rectangles. When centered properly, there will be 1 inch on each side of the hoop or bowl.
Using your circular object as a guide, draw a half circle. Then using your ruler as a guide, draw a straight line to finish off the bottom of your half circle. At the center of the bottom of the half circle, mark the spot and then slide the ruler at an angle. Draw a straight line, move your ruler to the other side and repeat the process. You basically want 3 triangles inside the half circle.
Once your triangles are complete, you will then need to create a frame around what will be the glass door panel. It is just adding a second line to your existing lines. Then cut out 4 squares measuring 3 inches by 4 inches each.
Glue the 4 squares to the front door panel. Using an X-Acto knife or craft cutting tool, carefully cut away the triangle-shaped sections. This is what your 2 panels should look like after the half-circle frames are cut from both. Glue the glass part of your picture frame to the back side of the half circle on one of your panels. Then glue the other panel on top of that panel, sandwiching the glass between the two.
Go ahead and glue the easel back from your picture frame to the lower portion of the back panel. Then give your entire door a coating of paint and then Mod Podge once the paint is totally dried. You are now ready for the fun part of embellishing it now.
To get the embossed look on your door like this, we used the rounded edge of a pen cap and just pressed it into the foam as we moved the pen cap along in a square shape. Then we made this little wreath, as we previously mentioned, by twisting bare stems from a Dollar Tree pick together. We then added berries, leaves, and some of those mini pumpkins that we took off of the sticks. We also added some pip berries along the window arch of the door, but this is totally optional. Okay, so now we're going to roll some footage of what the finished traditional style door number 1 looks like, and we hope you enjoy.
All right, everyone, we're back, and we just want to show you how the traditional harvest door turned out. We think it came out absolutely cute as can be.
One might even say it's
adorable.
And we just wanted to point out something really quickly. This is just a leftover piece of foam board that we turned into a welcome mat with alphabet letters, and we just painted the pumpkins on there in the background. And whoever this lucky homeowner, whoever owns this door, must shop at Hobby Lobby because they have one of these popular little wood plank signs.
Isn't it cute, guys?
And we made that with just a spare piece of foam board and alphabet stickers and painted it to look like wood. And we just kind of styled it with this little bottle brush tree, but that's not how we're going to keep it, we don't think. But isn't it cute? Look at the little pip berries around the window frame and the cute little wreath on the door. And look at the indentations on the wood squares. It looks so real. And we kind of gave it that distressed look. We added that distressed look with a little bit of brown antiquing just to kind of make it look worn because it looked a little bit too perfect.
But you know, Kelly, there's just something not quite right about it. I can't put my finger on it, but
you know, I was thinking that too. I was thinking that too. It's just not quite authentic enough. Let's see, what could we be missing?
Oh my God.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
A QVC box.
That's it.
Now it's authentic. Now it's 100% authentic. We hope you like this traditional style harvest door and that you will stick around to see the barn style version. Okay, we're hoping that you really liked our traditional style door idea number 1 and that you stuck around with us to see our rustic barn door number 2.
For the supplies needed to make the rustic barn door, you will need a foam board from the Dollar Tree, 8 Q-tips. I know what you're thinking. Q-tips? What are they going to do with that? But you'll just have to wait around for the end to find out. You can either purchase a barn door handle or cut one out of a foam board. Your choice of paint color. We used granite gray for the barn door and pavement for the hinges and handle. All right, now let's get started.
You will need to cut 2 10 by 18 inch panels from the foam board. Then using one of the panels, cut a 5.5 by 8 inch square from the top portion of your first panel, like this. Next, cut a 10 by 8 inch square from the bottom portion of your panel, like this. Then you'll need to cut the following pieces out of the remainder of your foam board. 3 7 inch by 2 inch, 3 11 inch by 2 inch, 2 11 inch by 1 inch, and 2 8 inch by 1 inch. Starting with the first panel that already has 2 squares cut from it, glue the 3 shortest pieces to the top back side of the panel. Next, glue the 3 longest pieces to the bottom back side of the panel. Then glue the front panel to the back panel.
This is what you should have so far. Cut 2 pieces of foam boards measuring 2 inches by 1 inch. These will be your barn door hinges. We painted them pavement and then added touches of old gold with a Sharpie pen. They really came out beautiful too.
This is what it looks like now as beautiful, well-worn barn door hinges. To get the indented look like these have, just push the eraser part of a pencil into the foam. Next, place your 2 pieces of foam board measuring 8 inches by 1 inch and lay them in a crisscross pattern. Then place the 2 pieces measuring 11 inches by 1 inch and repeat the process, gluing down as you go. You may find it easier, as we did, to cut one of the slats so that they will lay flat and will not overlap.
Give your barn door a coating of paint and attach the handle. We did not Mod Podge this door as to keep it with a rustic farmhouse feel. Now remember those Q-tips? We took them, twisted them, and glued them together to make a scaled-down version of the popular cotton stem wreaths that are so prevalent this year. We added pip berries, leaves, and 3 of those tiny glitter pumpkins, which we painted. And finally, guys, it's door number 2, the barn door.
We love this door. We absolutely love it, and we wanted to show you guys a few little things about it. If you notice at the corners of the little planks, the crisscross planks, we put some gold Sharpie dots, the same gold Sharpie that we used on these latches to make them look worn.
The latches look real.
And we just wanted to make it look like little nail heads, which it did. And here's our little cotton stem wreath that we just got such a big kick out of. It's so on trend. And little cream pumpkins that Mama painted to go on it. They're so cute. Those are those little gold glitter pumpkins. And we just added a few little pimp berries.
Oh, that's funny.
A few little pip. I can't go on. A few little pip berries. to it because we wanted to keep the look simple. And I think that's what we achieved here. And then look at the little latch, how cute, the little handle. Just made that out of foam also. And we just styled it with this three little pumpkins that we glued together, and we put it on top of a hay bale that I haven't even unwrapped yet from the Dollar Tree. But we just wanted to show you guys a few little ideas to style it with.
It's so cute. It really came out adorable.
It really is cute. And the best part about these doors are they are unique decor that you are not going to find everywhere else. And that's what we love. So we hope that you love this idea too. If you do, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of these doors, and give us a thumbs up too. That'd be great too. So we thank you for watching, and remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're worried, don't pray. And we'd also like to thank Auntie Coo Coo.
Oh yes, how can we forget that? We're so sorry. We want to thank Val with Auntie Coo Coo. Her channel's name is Auntie Coo Coo. She invited an open invite to everyone to join her for her Pumpkin Palooza collaboration. And we thank you so much, Val, for allowing us to be a part of this. We enjoyed it. We had fun making this project. And if you do not know who Auntie Coo Coo is, and we're sure you do because a lot of people do. She's a pretty popular channel, and for good reason. We invite you to visit her channel, and the links for everyone, the links for Auntie Coo Coo's channel will be in our description box. And I'm pretty sure she's going to put together a playlist of everyone in this collaboration, and we're sure everyone came up with a wonderful idea too. So thank you for watching. Y'all have a great fall.
Bye, y'all.